What if I told you that Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX, isn't just trying to colonize Mars or build electric cars? He's secretly building a system that could destroy traditional banks, rewrite the rules of money, and make the financial system truly borderless. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening quietly, strategically, and globally. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how Elon Musk might become the world's most powerful banker without ever owning a bank. So stay with us till the end of this video to uncover the real plan behind Elon Musk's financial empire. Alright friends, let's begin the video. The origins of a disruptor. Born in South Africa, bullied in school, and obsessed with computers, Elon Musk wrote his first video game at the age of 12. But more importantly, he wasn't dreaming about playing games, he was dreaming about changing systems. When he moved to America, he didn't start with rockets or cars. He started with banking. In 1999, he launched Link2X.com, an online bank at a time when people barely trusted the internet. Everyone said, online banking will never work. But Elon didn't care. He merged Link2X.com with another company called Confinity. The result? PayPal. Yes, the very same PayPal you use today was built by Elon Musk and his rebel team of coders and dreamers. But here's the twist. Elon never wanted PayPal to be just a payment system. His vision? A complete financial ecosystem. Digital wallets, loans, insurance, investments, all under one roof. However, the board of PayPal thought he was too ambitious. They kicked him out. That moment, it didn't break Elon. It triggered him. He made a silent promise to himself. One day, I'll build a system so powerful that the world's banks won't know what hit them. Tesla, SpaceX, and the hidden infrastructure. Everyone knows Tesla makes electric cars. But very few realize Tesla is not a car company. It's a data company, an energy company, and soon a banking company. Every Tesla car is connected to the cloud. Every mile, every charge, every payment, it's all data. That data? It's more valuable than oil. And what about SpaceX? Sure, it's launching rockets. But the real game changer is Starlink, a satellite internet system that will cover every inch of Earth. With Starlink, Elon will control global communication, fast, cheap internet from the Sahara to Siberia. And with that infrastructure, he can offer banking services to billions who are currently unbanked. Let that sink in. A bank without branches. A network without wires. A currency without borders. Enter X, the everything app. In 2023, Elon changed Twitter's name to X. Everyone laughed. Why destroy a global brand like Twitter? But Elon wasn't thinking about tweets. He was thinking about China's WeChat, an app where you can chat, shop, invest, and pay all in one place. Elon wants X to be America's version of WeChat, but with one big difference. It will be decentralized. Think about this. You message your friends on X. You invest in stocks directly through X. You buy groceries with X. You even earn interest from an X wallet. And the currency? Not dollars, but possibly Dogecoin, Elon's favorite crypto. He's already hinted at it multiple times. He's hiring engineers for blockchain systems, and X is slowly integrating payment licenses in different US states. He's building a bank without calling it a bank. Why this matters to you? Elon Musk isn't just creating products. He's building ecosystems. Tesla changes how you move. SpaceX changes how you connect. Neuralink might one day change how you think. And now, X wants to change how you spend, save, and grow your money. But here's the real kicker. If he succeeds, he won't just be a tech billionaire. He'll become the most powerful financial gatekeeper on Earth. No more bank fees. No more government-controlled inflation. No more waiting 3 days for a wire transfer. Elon's world is fast, global, and open source. But it comes with risk. If one man controls your money, your messages, your media, do we trust him? Is it freedom? Or a new kind of digital empire? That's the question we must ask ourselves. Will Elon Musk truly revolutionize finance and business? Or is this just another billionaire dream? Let us know in the comments below. Your opinion matters and we read every single comment. And hey, if you found this story eye-opening, smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful stories, and share this video with someone who still thinks Elon Musk is just a car guy. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. And you've just seen the blueprint. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.